Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So today we are going to see how you can digitize your hospital. Digitizing your hospital is very important these days because after COVID everyone wants to get the remote consulting, or they want to make sure that they receive the care that they need very easily. No one wants to stand in the queue. So there are different softwares that you need to adopt, like queue management software, electronic health records, or your electronic medical record, and your automatic insurance tracking, medical billing. All these softwares are very useful to digitize your hospital. Once you digitize your hospital, your patients will be really delightful with the care that you provide. So do watch this video carefully and do subscribe to our channel.
Hey everyone, welcome to Mojoomla. Today we're talking about something super important for all healthcare professionals and patients alike: digitizing your hospital. First, your hospital needs a digital home base, a website. Make sure your website is easy to navigate, mobile friendly, and includes all the essential information like contact details, appointment scheduling options, and information about your specialties. Next, let's talk about social media. In today's world, having an active social media presence is crucial for any business, and hospitals are no exception. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter allow you to connect with your community. Make sure your hospital is listed on Google Business and encourage your satisfied patients to leave positive reviews. Next, telemedicine software. Implementing telemedicine software allows you to offer remote consultations, expanding your reach to patients in remote areas or those unable to physically visit the hospital. Next, online appointment booking system. An online appointment booking system makes it incredibly easy for patients to schedule appointments at their convenience, 24/7. Next, mobile application. A mobile app provides patients with easy access to their health information, appointment schedules, test results, and even allows them to communicate with their healthcare providers directly. Next, electronic health records, EHR system. EHRs allow for seamless sharing of patient information between healthcare providers, leading to more informed decisions and better patient outcomes. Next, staff attendance management system. Managing staff schedules and attendance can be a headache, but not with a digital system in place. Next, laboratory information management system. For hospitals with in-house labs, a laboratory information management system, or LIMS, is essential. This system helps manage lab data, track samples, and generate reports efficiently. Managing a hospital pharmacy involves handling a large volume of medications and ensuring accurate dispensing. Pharmacy management software streamlines this process. Next, ambulance management system. It helps optimize emergency response by tracking ambulance locations, dispatching the nearest available unit, and providing real-time communication between the hospital and paramedics. Next, radiology information system, or RIS. Radiology departments handle a large volume of images and reports. This system streamlines workflows, improves collaboration between radiologists and referring physicians, and enhances patient care. And next, billing and revenue cycle management software. Implementing billing and revenue cycle management software is crucial for ensuring accurate billing, streamlining the payment process, and improving the financial health of your hospital. And there you have it, 13 essential steps to digitize your hospital and bring it into the digital age. Thank you for joining us today, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos on the latest advancements in healthcare. Until next time, stay healthy and stay informed.